Hello, welcome to Techie Laptop Battery Replacement Guide series. In this series, we'll show you how to replace various laptop batteries. So in today's video, we'll look at how to replace the N4010 battery. This video will be a comprehensive overview of the process. You can also find a step-by-step guide on techiestore.in. The link for the article is mentioned below in the description. The procedure will be similar for all the laptop models that are compatible with the Techie N4010 laptop battery, and in this video, we will be using Dell Insipirion N4010 laptop. Follow the guide step by step so that you can replace the battery properly. Before getting started, make sure the laptop is turned off and disconnected from any external power source. Now flip the laptop upside down. There will be two switches which are securing the battery. First, push the right switch towards the right to unlock it, and similarly push the left side switch towards the left. Now using your hands, lift the battery and put it away. Unpack the Techie N4010 laptop battery and place it over the battery container by aligning it with the container. Gently push the laptop battery towards the container and it will be connected to the laptop. Close the lock and flip the laptop back and turn it on to enjoy the fresh power of the Techie N4010 battery.